Welcome back to my channel. Myself Amulya. Today I would like to share with you my grandparents' COVID-19 journey and their vaccination which they took both the doses of Covishield. My grandparents' journey began from March 10, 2021 by taking the first dose of Covishield at Savarkar Hospital. Later, they were told to stay at home due to the increasing of COVID-19 disease in Mumbai. So they were not allowed to go anywhere, but just my mother used to take them to walk in the building. But unfortunately, still taking precautions of my grandparents, they got contracted to COVID-19 disease, which was on after a month, after their first dose of vaccination of Covishield. That is on 5th April 2021, they contracted to COVID-19 disease, and later their second their second dose was taken after a few months of their COVID-19 disease. They recovered. So come with me. Let's discuss the COVID-19 journey with my grandparents about their experiences. What is your experience of the first dose you took of Covishield vaccine?
Then after taking first vaccine, and we were free. At that time we thought of going out and all, but I had to take second vaccine. We were waiting for second vaccine to go out. After taking second vaccine today, we had a nice time to go out. We had a nice round and we brought the babies and everything. And this is the first time we are going out after 1 year.
Was the vaccination drive booked online or drive-in or just walk-in?
Walking near in Savarkar Hospital, Mumbai. Second dose was in Thane Majivada Hospital. We went by drive, and there we, after taking vaccine, we sat for half an hour just to know the reaction, but we didn't have anything. Sat half an hour.
Can you tell the youngsters about your COVID-19 disease? How did you get that disease?
We had corona without knowing us. So suddenly one day we had fever and cough. And we went, my son-in-law Dr. Ashok Prasad got tested and he wanted to take us for the testing. We went for the test and it was positive. So from that time he started the medicine, giving tablets 3 times a day. It was really, for 14 days he treated us with the tablets. After 14 days, it was little less. Till then, my daughter staying in the same building, she was sending the food and everything with my granddaughter. After 14 days, it became too less and the medicine also less. And we were all right for 15, 16, but doctor told continue the medicine for 1 week. We continued. After that, we were all right. But we had very tiredness. We couldn't do any work at that time. Only my daughter was doing everything and she is feeding us nicely good, nutritious food.
How did you feel after taking your first dose of Covishield?
Dr. Ashok Prasad, my son-in-law, took us to the vaccine in the hospital, Savarkar Hospital in Mulund. There we had a nice room, AC room, everything, but after few minutes they called us for the vaccine and gave us the vaccine. It was not painful, it was nice for us. And they made us to sit for half an hour to know with any reaction. No reaction was there, and after half an hour we came back.
Can you give some advice to the youngsters so that they will they will precaution themselves and take care of themselves and not allow them to get COVID-19 disease.
Because for the small children, they have to be clean every day, taking bath thrice a day, wash their hands and everything with the soap or hand wash 3 times a day or 4 times a day. They have to do that. And when they should not eat outside food, only at home food they should eat daily. Then only they will be all right.
You must have heard the experiences of my grandparents, how they suffered COVID-19 and how they were vaccinated, both the doses of Covishield, and what all they felt after their vaccination and after their COVID-19 journey. So I would just tell you a small advice to the generation of mine and the generation of my grandparents, that do not fall outside the house. Do not come outside the house unnecessarily without any need. Only if you are going as a youngster to office, just go home and office. Home to office. Wear mask. Wash hands. Wear mask. Wash hands completely, cleanly. Take bath if possible twice or thrice a day. Then clean yourself. Keep a small sanitizer bottle in your bag, so that wherever water is not available, there you can sanitize your hand and have something to eat or drink. Later, I would only say that do not shake hand, just do namaste and finish up. And if you want to survive, then survive without getting disease by COVID-19. Please follow all the COVID-19 precautions told by the government and keep 3 to 6 feet distance among the people you talk. Thank you. And if you have seen my video and if you liked it, please press the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.